Okay, good day. For today, we're going to talk about divisibility rules. So divisibility rules are rules that a certain number can be divisible by a certain number. So let's start first with 1. So for divisibility rules of 1, any number that is divisible by 1 is equal to itself. So meaning to say, if we divide any number to 1, that is equal to itself. So examples, you have 2 divided by 1. So 2 divided by 1, that's 2. 3 divided by 1, that is 3. Ayan. So 2 divided by 1, 2. 3 divided by 1 is 3. So let's say I have the number 12. So this is also divisible by 1. 15 divisible by 1. 301 divisible by 1. 6001 divisible by 1. So any number that is divisible by 1 is equal to itself. Now let's have divisible by 2. Any number that is ends by even number or 0, it means that it is divisible by 2. For example, 126. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So ibig sabihin, or it means that 126 is divisible by 2. 1244. So last digit is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So 1244 is divisible by 2. Next is 1298. So 8 divided by 2, that would be 4. So meaning to say, 1298 is divisible by 2. Next, 2460. So 0 divided by 2, that is 0 divided by 2, that is equal to 0. So 2460 is divisible by 2.